Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Today I'm preparing our dinner, okay? And we have some chicken thighs. And I wanted to share with you how I prepare my chicken thighs here in the home. It is our oven roasted chicken thighs. You'll see all the seasonings, how I wash them, and clean them, and get them ready. Everything's sanitized and clean and ready to go. So that's what we want to do. And I'm going to be sharing those tidbits with you here on the channel, okay? And again, that's our oven roasted chicken thighs. And I have a snapshot of all of the ingredients, okay, that we'll be using on this seasoning of the chicken. All right, so stay tuned as we get started. So what we're doing right now, we're getting ready to prepare our chicken. We're gonna have oven roasted chicken, okay? And we're gonna use our thighs to do this. And what we're doing right now is we've already washed and sanitized everything, so we're ready to go with that part. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and trim the excess skin off of the meat, because that's not something that we necessarily have to have, okay? So we want to make sure we do that part. Alright. Okay, you always double check your chicken to make sure that you don't have any type of feathers or anything like that, okay, when you first take it out of the package. That's one of the things you look for in the cleaning process, okay? Alright, so then continue on with that part. Okay, take that out. It should be a very tasty chicken with all of the seasonings and everything that's going to be added to it. Okay, and what you can do is a little tip too when you're preparing your chicken thighs. You can marinate them for a couple of hours, or you can marinate them overnight. Okay, if you marinate them overnight, the flavors or seasonings will be able to penetrate and soak into the chicken even more, so and make it more tasty. All right, so now we're going to take a little paper towel here and pretty much dry any excess water off of the meat. All right, just pat and dry. Got that out the way. Okay. Now we're going to take our oil here. Okay, and you can use olive oil or you can use canola oil. Okay, and just basically brush it on like that, or rub it on, whichever you choose to do. This will cause the seasonings to stick to the meat. All right. Okay, try and get all up under this, the skin there as well. Alright, so that looks good enough for me. Okay, now we're going to start to apply our seasoning. Okay, we're going to start off with our garlic. Onion powder. poultry seasoning. Okay, some touch of basil leaf there. Touch of Italian seasoning. And I'll make sure I have all of the measurements in terms of the just how much exactly I'm using here, okay, in the comment section. Alright, this is a touch of sage. Alright, now we're going to switch to our peppers. We got some white pepper here. Okay, got some black pepper, ground black pepper. And we have the crushed red pepper also. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And these seasonings will enhance the taste of the meat for sure. Okay, let's see what else we got. That's about it. Okay, now last thing we're going to add is some rosemary. Just a few sprinkles of that. Alright. Okay, and then basically just going to massage it into the meat. This is going to be delicious, I guarantee you. Once all those flavors penetrate the meat there, definitely going to be tasty. And you can mix this with potatoes as a side dish, or any type of vegetable of your choice. Guarantee you it will be tasty. Alright. That looks good to me. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to place this in our pan here. Skin side up. Like that. Alright, and then we're going to touch it up again with our seasoning here. I'm going to top it off. As you can see here, the seasoning has already been added there, but I'm going to top it off with the Himalayan salt. Just sprinkle some on the top there, just to reinforce that. I always try to put my salt in last. Alright. Okay. That looks good to me. Alright. There we go. It is ready to go into the oven. It's going to be baking at 375 for about 45 to 50 minutes. Okay. And I will bring it back and show you exactly what it looks like once it is finished. All right, so stay tuned as we begin to prepare our oven roasted chicken thighs. Okay, now we have our chicken thighs fresh out of the oven, guys. And I wanted to show you that final shot there. Exactly what they look like. Okay. That looks delicious. And it smells so good. All the seasonings and everything. So I wanted to show you all that. A close-up shot of that. All right. And you can also take some of the liquids that you have in there and just basically, it's still a little hot there. So you just basically take some of the juices like that and just pour it on top like that. Okay? It's just basting the meat in its own juices, okay? And that gives it that little extra flavor from all of the juices that you have in the bottom of your dish. All right. And that's about it. This will be served with probably some rice or some potatoes. Okay, and so that's what we're going to be having for supper. So I hope that you have enjoyed spending time with me here on the channel, and that's Diane's Decorating and More, as we prepared our oven roasted chicken thighs. Okay, so be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, so that way you'll be able to see what is being loaded up on the channel. Okay, alrighty, so we'll see you guys next time. Take care.